Hi everyone, and welcome back to Business Top 5, the place where we deliver high-quality business insights to set you up for success every weekday morning. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your network to help them grow their businesses too. Today, we're diving into the top 5 pros and cons of using WordPress to create your business website. Whether you're just starting out or looking to revamp your online presence, this is the video for you. And make sure you stick around until the end because we have an important call to action that could help transform your business website. Let's kick things off with the top 5 pros of using WordPress for your business website. 1. Flexibility and customization. WordPress powers over 40% of websites worldwide because of its unmatched flexibility. With thousands of themes and plugins available, you can customize your site to fit your brand perfectly, whether you're running a blog, an e-commerce store, or a service-based business. Example: want to add an online booking feature? There's a plugin for that. Need a sleek portfolio layout? WordPress themes have you covered. This flexibility ensures that no matter your industry or audience, your site can cater specifically to their needs and your business goals. The wide variety of options also means you can adapt as your business evolves. For instance, if you start as a blog but later want to add e-commerce features, WordPress allows you to scale without switching platforms. 2. SEO friendly. Out of the box, WordPress is designed with SEO in mind. With plugins like Yoast SEO or Rank Math, you can optimize your content, improve your search rankings, and attract more traffic to your site. These tools guide you through keyword optimization, readability improvements, and meta descriptions. Fun fact: Google loves WordPress sites because they're structured for easy indexing. Combine this with optimized site speed, mobile-friendly designs, and high-quality content, and you're set up for success in the search engine world. Plus, WordPress supports advanced SEO strategies like schema markup and XML sitemaps, which help search engines better understand your site's content. 3. Cost-effective. Whether you're on a tight budget or scaling up, WordPress can work for you. The core software is free, and you can start with affordable hosting and add features as your business grows. Many high-quality themes and plugins are also free or available at low cost. Pro tip: you can start small and upgrade over time, allocating your budget strategically for advanced functionality as your business expands. Additionally, with the right planning, you can keep ongoing costs low by avoiding unnecessary features and focusing on what adds value to your site. 4. Ease of use with powerful tools. You don't have to be a coding expert to use WordPress. The platform's user-friendly dashboard makes it easy to manage content, upload images, and make updates. Features like the block editor Gutenberg allow you to create pages with drag-and-drop simplicity. Bonus: with countless tutorials, forums, and guides available online, even beginners can quickly learn how to operate their WordPress site efficiently. And if you're ever stuck, the WordPress community is one of the largest and most active, so help is always just a search away. 5. Scalability. WordPress grows with your business. Whether you're a small local shop today and an international brand tomorrow, the platform can scale to meet your needs without having to start from scratch. It supports everything from small blogs to massive e-commerce sites with thousands of products. Example: WooCommerce, a popular e-commerce plugin, enables you to set up a fully functional online store within WordPress, complete with payment gateways, shipping options, and more. Additionally, you can integrate advanced features like CRM tools, marketing automation, and analytics dashboards to enhance your operations. Now, let's talk about the flip side. The top 5 cons of using WordPress. No platform is perfect, so let's get real about some potential challenges. 1. Steep learning curve for advanced features. While WordPress is beginner-friendly for basic tasks, diving into advanced features like custom coding or complex integrations can be challenging if you're not tech-savvy. For example, customizing a theme beyond its default options might require knowledge of HTML, CSS, or PHP. Solution tip: if you're not comfortable with coding, consider hiring a professional developer or partnering with services like Business Lifeline Services to handle the technical heavy lifting for you. Investing in professional assistance upfront can save time and avoid costly mistakes later. 2. Plugin dependence. To unlock the full potential of WordPress, you'll often rely on plugins. While they're powerful, using too many can slow down your site or create compatibility issues during updates. Each plugin adds to your site's functionality but may also introduce potential security risks if not maintained properly. Example: always vet plugins for reliability, check reviews, and ensure they're updated frequently by their developers. Be mindful of plugin conflicts and test any new installations on a staging site first to avoid disruptions on your live site. 3. Maintenance requirements. WordPress sites require regular updates for the core software, themes, and plugins. Neglecting updates can lead to performance issues or security vulnerabilities, and outdated elements may even stop working altogether. Pro tip: schedule regular maintenance to keep your site running smoothly. If this sounds daunting, services like Business Lifeline Services can take care of maintenance for you. Additionally, automating backups and updates can add an extra layer of reliability. 4. Security vulnerabilities. Because it's so popular, WordPress is a target for hackers. Without proper security measures, like firewalls and regular backups, your site could be at risk. Many users overlook security until it's too late. Solution: use trusted security plugins like WordFence or Securi, enable two-factor authentication, and invest in secure hosting providers to keep your site safe. Regularly changing your passwords and using strong credentials can also go a long way in protecting your site. 5. Hosting and performance challenges. WordPress isn't a one-size-fits-all solution for hosting. Your website's speed and performance depend on your hosting provider, theme, and how well your site is optimized. If you're on a shared hosting plan, your site might load slowly during high traffic periods. Example: a poorly configured site with large images, excessive plugins, or outdated software can significantly slow down your page load time, hurting user experience and SEO rankings. Opting for managed WordPress hosting can provide better performance and support, especially for high-traffic sites. So there you have it, the top 5 pros and cons of using WordPress for your business website. WordPress is an incredibly powerful platform, but like any tool, it's important to weigh the pros and cons to determine if it's the right fit for you. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What type of website do you have for your business? Drop your answers in the comments below, and if you're ready to take your video content to the next level, try InVideo for all your video needs. Purchase any paid plan using our affiliate link and get 50 extra AI minutes in the first month. Whether you need a new video or just want to optimize your existing content, InVideo is here to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Business Top 5, and share it with someone who's ready to grow their business. Join us every weekday morning for high-quality business content that sets you up for success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.